Alright, here we go. We're gonna have a brief little run through, you know what I'm saying? Look at the naps. Whew. What up, y'all? It's Marco, man. Cooking up more dope than the narcos, man. You already know you're a nigga from the go, and that's just how we go. You know what I'm saying? We back with another episode of How to Get Your Waves Booming. You feel me? We on this journey, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna have these 360 joints on fleek, you know what I'm saying? By the end of this, it's a vlog or whatever it's called, I think. You know what I'm saying? I do it all. I'm trying to ball. But, you know what I'm saying? Here we go. Towel, you feel me? You need a towel. Always, you gonna always need a towel, you feel me? You gotta make sure you wet it up. If you don't wet it up, you might as well. Look, if you don't wet the towel up, how do you expect to get waves if you don't start with water, you feel me? Foundation is everything. So, you know what I'm saying? You wet the towel, you know what I'm saying? Have to switch it up. One time for the 5 times. Quick side note, run the hot water before you make a video. That way you don't gotta wait for it. Alright, so boom. Feel me? After that, you know what I'm saying, whenever the water heat up, you feel me? Take the towel, you feel me? Make sure you get these, what is they called? The H2O molecules, you know what I'm saying? You gotta make sure your hair absorb all of this, you know what I'm saying? It's called hydrosynthesis. You know what I'm saying? Let that sit in your hair. It's gonna soften it. Next up, you know what I'm saying? Ooh. Grab your sauce, you know what I'm saying? For me, it's the brushing waves, cause I told y'all, everything else didn't give me the whole 360, you feel me? It'll give me like 270, for 280, whatever. So, you know what I'm saying? Brushing waves, some little silk daddy shit, you feel me? They say a small amount, but my hair growing more now, so I'm kinda gonna put more in there. You know what I'm saying? Now remember, you gotta rub it in the pattern that you brush your hair. You know what I'm saying? So down from the crown, you know what I'm saying? So that way that the gel is pushing the hair in the way that you brushing the hair in the pattern that you want while it's soft because of the towel, you know what I'm saying? The hydrosynthesis. And then it just creates the movement. So you just rub it in. Man, I can't see everything in a small amount though, cause now my head and my hands feel greasy as hell. So you might not need to put more just cause you got more hair. I don't know, y'all, but yeah. All right, that's enough. So you know, after that, you know what I'm saying? I'm telling y'all, this Magic Wave brush is fantastic, y'all. It just, the way it feels, it's not soft, but it's not hard. You know what I'm saying? It's just, and it fits to your head, unless you got like, I don't know, box head, you know what I'm saying? Like you just go in the way that you want. I know some people brush their hair upwards. So yeah, I don't do that. I go down. I'll probably. What if I'm supposed to go upwards, y'all? What if my head I'm supposed to go upwards? You know, if this don't work, that's gonna be my next thing I'm gonna try, y'all. But I'm pretty sure this gonna work. It's looking good. So Drake and Pusha T beefing, y'all. You know what I'm saying? This man called Drake a deadbeat dad. Shit ain't got real. They steady saying Drake got a porn star pregnant like BG. She is not a porn star, folks. She is a fucking video vixen, if that, folks. She really don't do shit. Nothing I saw was any type of pornographic anything. You just saw her in some lingerie. But, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Let's just hope. Let's just hope that Drake don't do nothing to end Pusha T career. You know what I'm saying? Because if he hit her with the Meek Mill, it's gonna be sad. Alright, y'all, so if you put on a do-rag or whatever, you know what I'm saying, you wear it for your hours or however long you're gonna wear it, but when you take it off, make sure you're brushing your hair again. It just helps, you know what I'm saying? It just keeps everything in motion. So yeah, y'all, you know what I'm saying? Like this video, comment. If you brush your hair upwards instead of downwards and your waves on fleek, let me know. You know what I'm saying? I really might have to try that because, I don't know. I never thought about trying it. I always thought it was just weird. But yeah, make sure, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe, man. I'd appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? Young nigga from the Go, man. Nigga can't go, man. You already know, man. Bird gang, man. You know what I'm saying? Put some respect on my name. You feel me? I'll trill y'all. Oh yeah, we finna take a look at the hair now that we finished, you know what I'm saying?